Hi everyone, it's Sam from Our Flame and so glad you can join me for another video. So we're working on our winter bouquet number 4 and I'm just going to experiment a little bit with greeneries and positioning of flowers, so let's start the video. This are the lovely big mums. It's pretty much just building up the center. I'm using viburnum and I'll be using a little bit of camellia. It's pretty much I'm just going to spiral around the big mum, sort of to make the center. I think I just want it bulky as possible. And then when we sort of spread it out, there's little gaps which form around. And so now we're just choosing our focal point. You know, some lovely, gorgeous pink roses. They're just starting to open up. So they'll look very attractive. I'm going to split up some of this camellia. It's very large. Gorgeous spray carnations. Sometimes it just takes a little bit to get the position right. Just on the diagonal, I'm going to place these lovely snapdragons. And then give it a bit of support with the camellia on the back. That's how we're looking so far. Now I've got a nice large piece. And I'm just going to place some lovely leucadendrums just to the side and give it a little bit of emphasis on height. Something like that. So here's our final outcome. And I had time to build another one in more sort of moody tones, mauve, some bright roses. And I just structured the leucadendron a little bit shorter on this one. Hope you enjoyed this quick video, and as always, can't wait to make the next one for you.